Hello, what's your name? David. David, today we have speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. So, David, let's start with the numbers. Can you tell me what number is it, David?
It's number 3.
This one?
It's
This?
number 6. It's number 6.
And how about this one? What number is it? Good, okay. So, David, can you tell me how many apples are there? Good, there are 5 apples. And how many balls are there? Good job. So, David, can you tell me how old is he? He is. Good job. And how old is she? She? 3 years? Good. Alright. David, let's talk about feelings. So, David, can you tell me how are you here? How are you? I am. Yeah. And how are you here? Good job. And how are you here? Alright. So, and are you sad here? Are you sad? And are you tired? Very good. Okay. So, David, can you tell me how is he? Yeah. And how is she? She is. Okay, good job. Alright, let's move to the last part, phonics. So, David, what letter is it? A for letter. What letter is it? C for? Good job. And can you tell me what letter is it, David? D for? And what is this? Do and E for? Good job. And what letter is that? F for? And 5. Alright, okay. Good job, David. Well done. I'll see you later. Bye.